So we are here to check if there is any truth to the claims that the Honda Highness is struggling to achieve its top speed and even struggling to cross 100 kilometers per hour after the ECU update. That's the claim. We are here to test it out whether it's true or not. This is one of the original Honda Highness. So it's fourth gear, we are crossing 120 kilometers per hour. We're still in fourth gear. Now we've hit fifth, and in fifth full throttle we have crossed 130 now. We are over 130, as you can see, 132 or something like that. We are flat out, and we did it just very quickly. So that's, I would say, the claims are false. The claims are very, very false.